Preparations before cloning partition. If you will clone partition to another different hard disk, make sure the hard disk is connected to your Windows 10 computer and it is detected successfully. To connect the new disk, you may need a USB adapter cable or install the second hard drive. USB adapter. Make sure there is unallocated space on the destination disk because only the unallocated space can be cloned during the process. If there is not, you can create one by deleting or shrinking partition. If it is a new disk, you need to initialize it first. To avoid changing boot mode, please set the partition style, MBR or GPT, to be the same as the source disk. Then you can start cloning your hard drive. Step 1. Install and launch AOMEI Partition Assistant. Right-click the partition you want to clone and select the Clone Partition tool to run partition clone. You can also click the Clone Main tab and select Clone Partition. Step 2. In next window, select the destination partition or unallocated space to hold your source partition, and then click Confirm. Step 3. Then, you will enter the Confirm interface where you can check the source and destination clone location. After all is set, you can click the Confirm button to continue. Notes: there is a 4K alignment option. If you want to copy a partition onto a SSD, solid-state drive, ticking this option will optimize the read and write speed on this partition. It can also extend the life of the SSD. If you select the sector-by-sector clone mode, the unallocated space must be equal or larger than source partition. If you tick the option, it will be unable to resize the destination partition. Step 4. In the next window, you can click the Settings button to adjust the target partition size. As you can see from the screenshot, you could adjust the size of source partition in order to fit the target partition as per your need, or directly skip the step and click Save. Step 5. You can preview the partition copy operating by viewing the pending operations. To commit the pending operations, please click Apply and Proceed. And how to clone boot partition on Windows PC. Step 1. Click Clone. Migrate OS to SSD. And click Next in the pop-out window. Step 2. Select an unallocated space on the target hard disk and click Next. Step 3. Here, you can resize partition on the destination disk and hit on Next to continue. Step 4. Read the note on how to boot OS from the destination disk and click Finish. Step 5. Click Apply and Proceed to commit the pending operation. After cloning the boot partition in Windows 10, you need to enter BIOS setup to change boot order to boot computer from the destination disk. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.